All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Wednesday, June 3rd. We got a pretty nice trade in Asia, and we got a pretty, well, we didn't really catch a trade in AM. It was just on evals. So I'm gonna go over everything really quickly for you guys. So, Alpha Futures Premium evals, I can't trade. Delayed data, don't fucking know why. Lucid Trading, Lucid Max accounts, the best accounts in the trading space. I'm actually pissed I can't trade them. I've been waiting to trade them for months, and it still says delayed data. Lucid's getting that fixed for me. On Take Profit Trader, I made 3,000 on one eval and 2.5 on the second. I passed the 50Ks and I traded them, and I'm not gonna lie, I suck at trading 50K accounts. I need more to risk, I need more to play with, and the 50Ks don't cut it. I'm a 150K guy, so I got the 150s. I got two of them. And then we made 500 across 5 tops of accounts. So actual funds today made was $2,500. Now, I sound sick, but let's get into a little trade recap for you guys, right? So coming into market open, I was 100% bullish. I was bullish. Price was trading all the way up here. Literally nothing about the 4-hour was bearish. Now we do have this low resistance liquidity resting below us on the 4-hour, which we can maybe expect to get taken out over the next few hours. I think we have an SMT there with ES now, actually. Okay, we have an SMT there with ES. ES was much more bearish than Nasdaq today. Now, let's get into the trade recap then. On the 15-minute time frame, what do I notice? I notice a few things. Price is clearly pushing higher and higher. Let's take a look at ES. ES is trading all the way down here, while NQ is trading all the way up here. Right? So at this point in time, we have a bullish SMT with these lows. Because if we take a look at ES, like I said, it was trading below these lows at 9:30, while Nasdaq is trading fairly above them. There was a lot of SMTs today. We then have this high up here, and then what do I notice? On the 5-minute time frame, we sweep this low, push higher. 5-minute change standard delivery, create it, respect it, keep pushing higher. I enter long at, because 9:30 in my opinion could have easily just shit the bed, which it low-key did, but I waited until 9:30 closed. Stops below the low, TP at the high. Went in this with like 6 minis, made 3,000 per account. Pretty simple trade, risking like what, 2.5 or 3K as well, yeah. Risking 3 to make 3. Pretty simple trade. So SMT at the low, 5-minute change in state in delivery. Clear objective to the upside with a large bullish SMT. Now, I also told the Discord I'm leaning towards both shorts and longs. Why was I leaning towards shorts? Because look at this LR below us. Well, at this point in time, it was actually just this low resistance liquidity. An SMT at low resistance liquidity isn't a very strong SMT. Price will still want to take it out because there's still orders to be filled. Right? Same thing here. I can see us taking that out in the future. But, sorry. Long story short, I was bullish to these highs and then bearish to these lows. That was it. I wanted to play ping pong with the market. I was bullish to this high and then bearish to this low. Now, how did I execute this? Like I said, 9:30 gave us a nice displacement to the upside. Entered in long there after respecting this bullish SMT. I believe if we grab our fib, we'd also be in OTE of the range. 0.618 perfectly got respected there. Then what? Then price pushes higher. I do not believe that it was 0.5. Oh, it was. All right. 0.5 got tapped perfectly. I didn't even know that. We also got a nice, flip on the 3-minute, I believe it was, yeah. On the 3-minute, we got a 3-minute tap into that gap. And then a nice a 30-second inversion and displacement to the downside, and B, a 1-minute IFEG. And that was your entry to this low. Now, there was an SMT at this low, I believe pre-market, actually. But I didn't really care. Because A was pre-market and we were still distributing towards that low. But yeah, we actually ended up just dumping another like 200 points. But yeah, that was a trade. I think I'm sick, as you guys can tell. I think I'm sick. But either way, Very clean trading day. Went 2 for 2. Oh, I didn't take this. I forgot to say this. I really like this short. I don't know why I was acting like I took this. I forward tested this and I sent it to the Discord saying this is a beautiful setup. If you guys are not in the free Discord, join the free Discord. The link will be in the bio. This is what I took on my evals. I'm getting fucked right now. So bad by these prop firms, bro. I just want to trade. I just want to trade and I can't even fucking trade. It is so annoying. But yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Have a blessed day and I'll see you boys soon. Peace out.